400,000.
Ni monanio ma urimi guko kaunti-ini ya Nairobi maria mahanikaga o mwaka kiharo-ini kia Jamhuri UMUTHI makihingurwo ni President William Ruto.
Mheshimiwa Rais,
hindi ya monanio maya President niaheanire kiraniro gutigirira murimi ni acokereria gacira ka umithio kumana na wirutaniria wake mugunda-ini.
The idea of elevating the famous Nairobi National Agricultural Show into an international trade fair, where today we have representatives from various African and international and other countries.
In agriculture and trade, we promote technological innovations and information exchange within the agricultural and agribusiness sectors.
Murimi wa kahua ni ekereirwo urito, President akiranira gutigirira TURIANIME aria matuirie murimi wa kahua na kiriro kia hathara ni mahorano nao kaimana.
My deputy is seized with that matter, and I want to assure our farmers that the government of Kenya will do whatever it takes to make sure that farmers don't suffer the consequences of what we have seen in the past, where a few people benefit and the rest of the farming fraternity are in poverty.
Honge igiria President aigite muhari-ini wa mbere ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa urimi wa baba, undu umwe na urimi wa igwa kuria ruhonge rwa igwa rwiriirwo guthegerio mathire ma ciringi bilioni 117 iria itoire irugamitie mihang'o ya ruo.
Kilimo ni muhimu kwa sababu inatusaidia kupunguza gharama ya maisha kwa kuhakikisha kwamba tunazalisha chakula ya kutosha. Kilimo ni muhimu kwa sababu inatupatia raw material ya viwanda zetu zote. 40% ya raw materials ya viwanda zetu zote zinatoka kwa kilimo.
The greatest takeout that I got from them is that people are simply just looking for an opportunity, for a chance, for an opportunity to showcase their hard work and to be able to earn a living.
Kuno urimi guko bururi-ini ucangagira makiria ya gicunji kia 25 harĩ igana kia mawira na kuhe bururi gicunji kinene kia utonga. Thirikari NIERANIIRE kuhuthia urimi kwitukira kunyihia garama yaguo kuri arimi.
We have taken decisive steps to reduce the price of fertilizer through the fertilizer subsidy program from Kenya shillings 6,500 per 50 kilogram bag to 3,500, then further to 2,500.
that the ministry will continue to provide the enabling policy and regulatory environment to spur agricultural development in line with our national policies.
Urimi wa mimera ĩrĩa ĩtakoretwo ĩhĩmbĩirio mũno kwa mũhiano mĩmera ĩrĩa ĩhũthĩkaga gũthondeka maguta ma kũruga nĩ ũndũ ũhũrĩirwo ndebe rĩu arĩmi makĩũrio kũhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi ta ũyũ nĩguo kwandandũra njĩra ciao cia kwĩmathĩra umithio.
We project to increase the annual domestic production of edible oils from 80,000 metric tons currently to 240,000 metric tons over the next 5 years, thereby reducing our dependency on imports and saving the country almost 100 billion that we spend annually.
Handũ-inĩ Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.